Let me show you how to create captions by typing your text manually in Caption Animator Pro. First, run the script by going to File, Scripts, Run Script File, and select Caption Animator Pro.jsx. Paste or type your text in the Text Input tab. Go to the Styling tab and adjust your fonts, colors, outline, and any other settings as desired. Now, before clicking the Generate button, let's find the exact start of your audio. Press the L key twice to see your audio waveform. Place your time indicator where the audio starts appearing, then click the Generate button. Press the spacebar to check your captions.
Start creating professional text animations faster.
Thanks to the AI-enhanced sync mode, the text is already perfectly synced with your audio. For extra polish, you can adjust the outmarker if needed. Use the Live Edit panel for any additional fine-tuning. Any changes you make will automatically sync back to the main menu, so your next caption will have the same styling and position. Isn't this fantastic?
I feel rhythm in my soul.